Hello students, welcome to the channel. So today we'll be learning about sonnets. So first of all, uh, you know, before learning about the sonnets, I want you to know about the rhyme scheme. So before we learn about sonnets, we will learn about what is a rhyme scheme. And so students, let's continue. So here are some lines of a poem. The coolness of the night refreshes my skin. The stars shine so bright, causing me to grin. Okay, so first thing we are going to do here is to observe the ending word of every line. Okay, so ending word of the first line, please say it with me. It's night. Ending word of the second line is skin. Ending word of the third line is bright. Ending word of the fourth line is grin. Okay, so now we'll leave the remaining things aside. Now we'll only concentrate on the ending words over here. So say it with me. They are night, skin, bright and grin. Okay student, so here we'll be first observing, like, I want you to tell me that which word rhymes with night. So does skin rhyme with night? Absolutely not. Does night rhyme with grin? No. But night rhymes with bright? Yes, obviously. Night and bright rhyme with each other. So night, if I say night is A, so night rhymes with bright. So bright will also become A. Very good. And if I say that skin and grin rhyme together, yes students, obviously they rhyme together. So skin is, if this is A and this is A, I cannot say skin is A because night and skin don't rhyme together. So I want another alphabet. Yes, so you guessed it right, it will be B. So if skin rhymes with grin and skin is B, grin also becomes B. So what will be the rhyme scheme of this poem? So the rhyme scheme will be A, B, A, B. Okay? A, B, A, B. I hope it's clear to you. Okay students? So now we'll be learning about the Petrarchan sonnet and the Shakespearean sonnet. Students, as we got to know what is a rhyme scheme now, so we'll learn about sonnet. So the poem On the Grasshopper and the Cricket, that is written by John Keats, is actually a sonnet. Okay, so I'll explain you what is a sonnet exactly, and we have two types, and there are many other types of sonnets, many other modifications, but these two are the basic or the most used or the most known sonnets. Okay, so they have their subtypes and all. Okay, so we'll not get into that because that is too complicated and that is not asked in your book or not given in your book. In your book only these two are given, that to the introduction. Okay students, so rhyme scheme also, there are many other types of rhyme schemes, but what I explained you was the ending word rhyme scheme, where the words in the end rhyme with each other. So because we needed that in sonnet. Okay, so sonnet is a poem of 14 lines. So this poem On the Grasshopper and the Cricket is of 14 lines. Okay, so so there are two types of sonnets. The first one is a Petrarchan sonnet and the other one is a Shakespearean sonnet. Okay, so Petrarchan sonnet was invented or was made popular by Petrarch. It has an Italian origin, whereas the Shakespearean sonnet, by the name it is clear that it was invented or it was popularly used in a very precise and a brilliant manner by William Shakespeare, and that is why it came to be known as widely as Shakespearean sonnet. As the name suggests, it obviously has an English origin because Shakespeare was an Englishman. Okay, so Shakespeare has written 154 sonnets in his lifetime. Now what is a sonnet, what is the structure of it, and what is the rhyme scheme? Okay, so first I want you to only look at the Petrarchan sonnet over here. Okay, so it's like Petrarchan sonnet, it has an Italian origin. It was made popular or was invented, you can say, by Petrarch. So as we know by now that sonnet is a poem of 14 lines. So first eight lines are known as octave, and the rhyme scheme is A B B A A B B A. If you notice, these are the 8 lines: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these 8 lines are known as octave, and the rhyme scheme is A B B A A B B A. So here you will say there are 8 lines. What about the next 6 lines? Because it is a poem of 14 lines. Okay, so the next 6 lines are known as sestet. Okay, so the next 6 lines are called as sestet, and basic structure of the next 6 lines, or the basic rhyme scheme of the next 6 lines, is C D E C D E. So first 8 lines in the Petrarchan sonnet is called as octave, and it has the rhyme scheme A B B A A B B A, and last 6 lines are called as sestet, and they have the rhyme scheme C D E C D E. Okay, and next we have the Shakespearean sonnet. So as I explained you, it has an English origin. The founder of it was William Shakespeare, obviously, and in his lifetime he wrote 154 sonnets. And okay, so here we come. So you forget about this, now we learn about this. Okay, so in the Shakespearean sonnet, we do not have first 8 lines. We directly have the first 12 lines. Yes, students, we have the first 12 lines, and these first 12 lines are actually divided into 2 parts. So the 2 parts are A B A B. This is the rhyme scheme: C D C D C D E F. Wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So these are divided into 4 parts. Each part is called as quatrain. So how? A B A B. First part, quatrain means 4. Okay, quarter, 4. It means 4. So that is why the name quatrain. So you see 1 2 3 4. First 4 lines. Next 4 lines, C D C C D C D. Next 4 lines, E F E F. Okay, so these 3 are called as the quatrains. And why quatrains? I explained to you. These are the 4 lines. These are the group of 4 lines. A B. These are the rhyme scheme. Okay, students, this whole thing is a rhyme scheme. In the end, you will see G G. Only 2 lines. They rhyme. They both rhyme together. I mean, the last word rhyme together. They are known as couplet. So Shakespearean sonnet is divided into 12 lines and 2 lines. 12 lines divided into 3 groups, which are known as quatrains, and the last 2 lines known as couplet. Students, I hope this was understood by you and you enjoyed the session. If at all you have any problem in understanding, yes, one more very important thing, it is that your poem that you have, you'll ask me which sonnet is that. It is a Petrarchan sonnet or it is a Shakespearean sonnet on the grasshopper and the cricket. This poem written by John Keats, obviously it is a Petrarchan sonnet. So your sonnet that you have in your book is a Petrarchan sonnet and it is not the Shakespearean sonnet. Okay, students, so I hope this was an enjoyable lecture for you all. You all understood a lot. And students, will meet next time. Till then, take care of yourself and your family.